13 Unsolved mysteries easily explained by science. 1. So-called spontaneous human combustion is usually the wick effect, where clothing catches fire near an open flame and body fat keeps the flames burning. 2. The 6-inch Atacama alien was actually a human with severe genetic mutations, according to DNA testing of its unusual skeleton. 3. The Bermuda Triangle is no deadlier than the rest of the ocean, with many disappearances explained by human error, mechanical failure, and ordinary dangers at sea. 4. DNA tests on supposed Yeti samples identified them as coming from a large endangered species of bear. 5. Bones found on a remote Pacific island and once classified as male were later retested and judged most likely to be Amelia Earhart's remains. 6. Death Valley's sailing stones move when melting sheets of thin winter ice catch the wind and drag the rocks across the desert floor. 7. Most crop circles are human-made hoaxes, and 2 men even admitted in 1991 that they had spent decades creating them as a prank. 8. WebDriver Torso's strange beeps and colored rectangles were not spy codes or alien messages, but Google's way of testing YouTube video quality. 9. The legend that Anastasia escaped her family's 1918 execution ended when DNA testing identified her remains in a separate grave in 2007. 10. Canada's mysterious purple lights were Steve, a stream of extremely hot particles known as a subarauroral ion drift. 11. One archaeological explanation says Stonehenge's 2 largest stones had stood there for millions of years before people built the monument around them. 12. Finland's enormous Kummukivi balancing rock was probably deposited in its unlikely position by a glacier during the last ice age. 13. Astronomers say the universe's infrared glow may come from benzonitrile, an organic molecule researchers believe is widespread across the known universe.